First scoop. Let's see how it is. Oh.
Alright, so now that our chicken is all cooked and shredded, we're going to start assembling it and getting it ready to go in the oven. So, take... So today we're going to be making cheesy chicken tater tot hot dish. So this is Mitch. He's going to be doing our cooking today. I'll be behind the camera. So we got the first step underway. We're going to be cooking the chicken. So we're going to take it out of the oven. So we cooked it at 350 for about 35 minutes, and we use butter and chicken broth to kind of give it a little bit of flavor. We don't want to put too much flavor on it because it'll contrast with the rest of the hot dish.
Smells good. Time to shred. This might be.
Did we get it too far? No,
it's perfect. I never done this warm. It was always cold.
Oh, well.
It's fine. Just don't burn yourself. That's the key. Get off the top.
So it'd be helpful if we had like actual meat shredders too instead of just tiny little forks.
We'll be fine with forks.
Yeah, we're not properly prepared.
Never. Yeah, we're prepared.
So we're just going to let him figure it out because he said he'd done this before, so we'll see. Well, he normally uses rotisserie chicken too, though. But dietary restrictions say we should probably use regular chicken.
Dietary restrictions are just fine. Don't worry about it.
There.
Go.
Then we're going to let that cool down. So we got our chicken for our cheesy chicken casserole, hot dish, whatever you may be. So we got the chicken, and then we've got our Hidden Valley Ranch seasoning packet, garlic powder, our cheddar soup, cream of chicken soup, salt, and pepper. Get away, Mitch.
Come on. Alright, you want to be a pain right now? Fine. Now, cream chicken. Come on. There we go. That worked. Better than the last one.
So basically, we're just going to combine all the ingredients, the cheddar cheese soup, the cream of chicken soup, whole thing of sour cream.
Juicy.
So now the ranch seasoning packet.
Just don't inhale it. Because you will cough.
Okay, then garlic powder.
Don't need too much.
Some pepper.
Generous amount of pepper because pepper's good. Some salt.
Salt.
Don't need too much because cheddar cheese soup has enough salt in it.
And then our cheese.
Delicious cheese. Put some in it and on top when we're done.
So about half the bag in it and half on top.
Yep. About that. Now, before putting that chicken in,
I was just trying to get that out of the way.
gotta mix it. You can use milk, but it does not look like it needs it. Unless you want it super thick. Or super...
What, milk?
Yeah. It kind of They say it thickens it up, but it really doesn't. It makes it soupy. Just the milk makes it easier to mix, that's all. That's all that does. We could use a smaller bowl, it looked like.
Yeah, I wasn't sure. That other one was questionable.
Now, the best part. The chicken. Delicious chicken.
Well, pretty bland chicken because we didn't put anything on it, but it's going to get mixed in there, and that's where all the flavor is going to come from. Just want it cooked properly.
Oh yeah, one chicken breast is plenty. It looks good as it is.
Yeah, I would still like mine cooked.
Duh. Yeah, see, now it's starting to get a little more of a pain to mix, but it's okay. Time to put it in our
Casserole pan.
casserole pan. There. Thank you.
Hot dish pan, depending on where you are. I like hot dish, but this is looks like more of a casserole rather than a hot dish.
And spread that out evenly. Oh yeah. Try to anyway. It's kind of hard with the chicken.
And then top it with the tater tots.
Top of the tater tot. It is your preference on how many tater tots you want on top.
All of them.
As many as we can, right? Better than pulling it out bit by bit. This takes a little.
There, we got our tater tots all laid out nice and neat. And then we're going to hit it with the last little bit of cheese there.
Extra cheesy.
All right.
Put our cover on. Don't really need.
Oh yeah, you don't need those, I suppose.
Don't need those quite yet.
Yeah, so that's going into the oven at 350 in the middle rack. Going in for how long?
Half hour, 45 minutes.
Half hour to 45 minutes. So now we're going to let that bake, and then we'll be back when it's done. Alrighty, it should be just about done baking. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
There we have it. Cheesy chicken tater tot hot dish.
First scoop. Let's see how it is. Oh.
Cheesy chicken goodness.
Oh crap.